Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
We are here today to tell you about an adorable new construction home over in the Panama City community of Riverside.
Absolutely.
It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, gorgeous property. And I think this is another one by Camden Homes, right?
It sure is. They are everywhere. So they've built this fantastic 4-bedroom family home, 2.5 baths, 2-story. And what's so cute about this community is the front doors face each other and all of the grass, and it's community.
So kind of like the Tapestry Park community, that
Yes.
emphasis with
Yes.
the green space.
Yep.
And I love the balconies.
Oh, overlooking and just being able to look down and have fun with your neighbors. Hey, guys. You know?
It's so cute. So I
Sorry.
believe this home is perfectly sized, around 2,500 square feet.
Yep.
And it is under 400,000. It's in the high
Absolutely.
threes. This is not going to last long because Camden Homes, their properties fly.
And
So-
what's so great about them is not only do they build a home and you would expect nice conveniences, they do natural upgrades. So the beautiful new upgrades that you would have to pay extra for in other homes, it's standard here. Backsplash, open shelving.
quartz countertops.
All of it, yes.
Awesome. This home, built by Camden Homes, will not last long. So if you want to check it out, give us a call.
And for more information, look in the description below. There's a link straight to the listing so you can get all the actual details straight from the MLS.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com
That's right.
on YouTube. Subscribe, ring that bell. You don't want to miss out.